Hello everybody. Well, it's a rainy morning here in the Philippines. Down here in Olongapo City once again. Had to come home. Anyway, as I said, it's a rainy day. Hopefully the rain will stop later. Don't want to deal with this rain all day. Yeah, it's coming down. Not bad, but it's just miserable rain, you know. Kind you get right after you wash your car, you know. Just enough to get you upset about. Well, as you can see, it's wet today. But that don't keep the people home. They're out and about. Armed with their trusty umbrellas. Right here by the Victory. Like this. Not too many hours ago, I just got off the Victory. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this rain today is relentless. Okay, that sign there has been there for a long time. Right here by King Bakery, right by the Victory Liner Station. Rain is coming down. So far my umbrella is cooperating and I'm very happy for that. Of course, as it gets waterlogged, it probably won't cooperate. Where am I going to go today? I don't have the faintest idea. Oh, look at that sign. Hey, there's a piece missing. That's just weird, huh? I don't know. Only in the Philippines. I guess they figure one leg is enough to hold it up. Yes, I had to investigate that more closely. It's only 15 inches off the ground. Amazing, huh? Okay, you got Dunkin' Donuts, Chowking. In case you get hungry over here by the Victory. Jollibee's just down the street, and McDonald's is just down the street. Don't worry, when you travel you can eat. And I'm getting wet now. Reposition my umbrella. Yeah. Kind of missed Olongapo when I was in Manila. Definitely not the same. Small town. Cherry Midtown Hotel. At present it is closed. I'm not sure if they're ever going to open. I don't know why, but guess they just don't have the clientele. Who knows? You know, I guess it costs a lot of money to operate a big hotel like that. Well, guess what? My umbrella is not cooperating. Well, hopefully it will. I just wish the rain would stop, so we don't need all this rain. Send this rain over to California or somewhere. Okay, you're looking at Rizal Avenue, downtown Olongapo City. Very, very rainy day. Oh well. Just a little water. Water don't hurt. Old buildings. You know, people own buildings like that, but they just don't care about them, you know? That's what happens when you got too much money, or you're abroad or somewhere, you know, and BPI, right next to it is the land bank. Where am I going to go today? I don't have the faintest idea. Take 1 minute at a time. That's the best way I do it. I'm sitting there hoping the rain will stop. It's not that I don't like the water, the rain. I just don't like carrying around my umbrella. I actually used to go in that movie theater when I was in the Navy. Back in the 70s. Yes, that's a long time ago. That business is closed on the corner. A lot of businesses went out of business. That's just the way it goes. Yeah, these guys hot running down the road. Yeah, that 167 Hypermart. They got some good deals made in China. You know, I'm not talking about it so great, but if you're looking for plasticware or other cheap items, they usually got something for you. Kind of like the dollar store in the United States, you know. But everything there is not $1. I mean, some is a little pricey, but depends what you're looking for. If you got a kid going to school here, this is a good place to buy school supplies. Good morning. You know, maybe not. To some people, it's not a good morning, but to me, it's a good morning.